Welcome to Chattanooga Exteriors, your trusted partner in transforming outdoor spaces in East Brainerd, Tennessee. With a passion for excellence and a commitment to quality, Chattanooga Exteriors brings your decking dreams to life. Our expert team is dedicated to crafting custom decks that enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. At Chattanooga Exteriors, we use only the finest decking materials to ensure your deck not only looks stunning but also stands the test of time. Imagine spending your evenings on a beautifully crafted deck, hosting family gatherings, or simply enjoying a peaceful moment outdoors. Chattanooga Exteriors can help make your outdoor living space an extension of your home, providing comfort and style to all your backyard events. Ready to create that dream deck? Contact Chattanooga Exteriors today at 423-805-3800 or visit us at chattanoogaexteriors.com for more information on a $500 off decking discount. You will be glad you did.